front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to hit Display and Brightness. And then scroll down again, this time to select Font. Now it's time to operate this slider under font size to adjust it, and check out Preview at the top. When you finished, hit Apply to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!